You're happy. Ooh, yucky. Like, what am I supposed to do? Teach me, Lex. Ew. Why do you have to do that every time you come out? Go, Shira. Get the toy.
Toss that thing, man.
Ready? Go, Lex. Shira, go in the water. No, don't drink it, Shira. Oh, guys, Lex is okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
Oh, this water stinks. Drop it. Good girl.
Shira.
Shira.
Ew.
Ew. No, Shira, don't eat that, Shira.
She's gonna throw up.
Shira. Go in the water. Go swimming. Go. Go.
No.
No, Shira, no. She's like, I have a toy. Okay, Lexi, sit down. Sit down.
Will you toss that thing already? And stop throwing it right there?
Sorry, it's just almost trying to get it off. Oh my God, did she like jump over on
Yeah.
top of her? Ew, Shira.